We're here at whatever building this is called.
Morgan.
I'll call it the Morgan building. Here in Bradenton, Florida. Let's go to 7. Fixtures feet over. We got mine. That was weird. I think I'm modern. And that's where the door drawing used to be. Very odd. Oh, Florida elevator. Huh. Modded by Florida elevator. Interesting. Definitely very good mod. Let's switch here.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I know we didn't do that. It's actually Plaza Del Rio. Here it is. Ready? Yes, we're going now. It's honestly a nice camp. Seven. Going up?
Going up?
What floor?
7.
Alrighty,
Same as
perfect.
you.
Here we go. To the 7th floor. Have a good day.
Thank you. You have a great day too.
You're welcome. It's definitely a very odd lantern. Look at that. Still, that's where the original lantern used to be. Nice and thick handrails. Got a nice cap. Although I would love to see these original. Yeah, it's just stupid Florida codes. Yeah, here we go. See? Oh, it's pretty cool. There goes the elevator. And I guess that's gonna be it for me.